In today's video, I will teach you how to convert an Affinity file to PSD format online for free using Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea, then click File, then Open, or simply drag and drop your Affinity file with the extension of AF Design or AF Photo into the Photopea workspace. Then wait for the file to load. This may take a few moments depending on the file size. Photopea supports opening many elements from Affinity files including layers, text, and vector shapes. Now review the loaded file to make sure all elements appear correctly. Now we're going to prepare for export. Make sure all layers, effects, and text elements look as they should. You can make edits if needed, such as adjusting text, resizing objects, or modifying colors. Photopea allows you to work with layers just like in Photoshop, so you can edit the file before exporting if necessary. And to finally export them, simply click File, then Save as PSD. This will convert your Affinity file to a PSD format. Now choose a location on your computer to save the file, and give it a new name if desired. Now click Save to complete the process. And to ensure everything converted properly, open the PSD file in Adobe Photoshop or any other software that supports PSD files, like GIMP or Photopea. Then check that all layers, text, and effects are intact and functioning as expected. If you need to convert your Affinity file to other formats like PNG, JPEG, PDF, or SVG, simply go to File, then Export As, then choose the desired file format and adjust the export settings as needed. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.